This ride's been closed for over a year. Let's see if it was worth the wait. All right. 35-minute wait. Let's go see. And a fun fact, Big Thunder Mountain is heavily based off of Bryce Canyon National Park over in Utah. Take a look at it. It pretty much looks like Big Thunder Mountain. It's so cool. Oh, look at the smokestacks going too. That's so cool. Oh, we got the explosions going off. Oh wow, look at the new track. It looks so good. Oh look, they added canary cages in the bird section of the queue. But there's no canaries, that's not good. All right, we're at the merge point, only waited 5 minutes so far. There he is, Tony Baxter or Barnabas T. Bullion. Hey, I'm so excited. The back row, let's go. All right, let's get on.
Yeah, only waited
12 minutes.
Not bad.
Best remove them. This year's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
So excited.
I know, me too. It's been over 16 months. Pretty crazy to finally be back on the wildest ride. Best remove them. Oh, this is all new already. Whoa, this is so much cooler. Wow, it's so smooth. Whoa, that's totally different. Here we go, the big moment. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. She still got it. I'm gonna look at that brand new train. Look at that. Okay, wow. First impressions, still rips.
Oh, so good.
It's definitely like a different type of intensity with the height requirement being a little bit lowered, but it's still just a classic banger attraction. They didn't do anything to ruin it. It's so good.
The audio in the ride too is
The sound design is so good. Yeah,
Like-
the soundscapes and just like the different design of like tension building in the first cavern. All the bats too. I hope the camera picked that up. There's so many
so
bats.
Cool. It's just such a new, like, visceral experience. I love
Look
it.
at this too. This is awesome.
Wow. That's so cool.
The only thing that maybe takes away from this, and it's because we just came from Disneyland, is the rivers of America are actually gone here now. And this is the first time riding Thunder Mountain since then. So it hits a little different, but man, gotta get a night ride on this later. This is so good.
A few moments later.
All right, we're back over at Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. It's only a 40-minute wait. Fingers crossed we'll get that elusive firework ride. That's so cool. All right, got that elusive night ride plus the fireworks.
That was amazing.
That was so good. Only waited 25 minutes, 27.
27.
27 minutes to be exact.
That was so
But-
good.
Yeah, it was so good. The night rides, unbeatable. All right, now that we're home, it's time to give our final thoughts on Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. Overall, the ride is so much better right now. I mean, the lowering the height requirement, we were very skeptical about that because, that means it's probably not as intense, right? Well, in terms of intensity, the ride is basically the same. There's a little bit less airtime moments where your butt's out of the seat, but the turns are far more intense. I feel like you're really getting sucked into your seat on some of those turns, and it is such a different experience now with the sound, all the props added to Tumbleweed Town. It's just
That's really
so good.
cool, yeah.
And of course, the no-brainer. It's a brand new track, so it's going to be nice and smooth, but over time, it's going to get back to that bumpy kind of ride, you know? After the Florida sun and humidity gets to beat on it for a little while, it's going to be a different experience. So in the future, we'll have to go back and give you kind of like a 1 year perspective and see how different the ride is going to be.
I think Disney definitely made the right step for lowering the height requirement because it's a family park. Magic Kingdom is for families. It's not meant for the thrill seekers.
Yeah, and to kind of circle back, I really do like that there is a lower height requirement because now another kid is going to have one less moment to say, you're not tall enough. And I love that because that hits kind of home for me. Growing up, I was always too short to ride certain rides on vacation. And man, it stunk. Seeing my younger brothers being able to go on the rides or some of my friends get to ride before me, it's such a bummer. So I resonate a lot with that.
Yeah, overall, I mean, it was a great ride. I think what really excited us both was getting a nighttime ride with the fireworks. Like, I
That
mean,
really set it in stone, honestly. That was just so good to see Thunder Mountain again at night.
yeah, I was just so glad to be back at Magic Kingdom. I think like some of our last previous visits, it was kind of hit or miss, you know, but this time, now that Big Thunder's back, it feels like Magic Kingdom is more complete.
It does, yeah.
Oh yeah. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.